I know
of no legal reason
why I, Stewart Millington,
that I, Stewart Millington,
why I, Stewart
Millington,
may not be joined in marriage
that I may not be joined in marriage
to Kerry Mills.
to Kerry Mills.
I declare that I know of no legal reason why I, Kerry Mills, may not be joined in marriage to Stewart Millington. Now the moment has come for Stewart and Kerry to make their marriage contract with each other in the presence of you, their witnesses. Will you all please stand? I call upon these persons here present
I call upon these persons here present
to witness that I,
Stewart Millington,
do take thee, Kerry
Ann Mills,
to be my lawful wedded wife. I call upon these persons here present to witness that I, Kerry Ann Mills, do take thee, Stewart Millington, to be my lawful wedded husband. That was lovely. Thank you. We have now come to the exchange of rings, which is the traditional way of sealing the contract you have both just made. The wedding ring is an unbroken circle, which symbolises unending and everlasting love, and is the outward sign of the promises you make to each other today. So, Macaulay, could you step forward with the wedding ring, please? And Stewart, would you like to take Kerry's wedding ring and place it on the chosen finger? Yeah. You wearing holding hands? You think you could hands?
Certainly can.
Kerry, I give you this ring.
Kerry, I give you this ring.
As a token of my love.
As a token of my love.
And as a symbol of our marriage.
As a symbol of our marriage.
Okay, would you like to take Stewart's wedding ring from the family? Thank you. Then if you'd like to place it on the chosen finger. And again, if you can remain holding hands, particularly if you're Stewart, I give you this ring. As a token of my love. And as a symbol of our marriage. Absolutely, thank you. Stewart and Kerry, you have now made solemn promises to one another in the presence of your family and friends here today. You have presented one another with a wedding ring. These rings will remain forever a public display of your love and promise a lifelong dedication to each other. Today marks a new chapter in your lives together, and we all hope it will be a journey full of the love and happiness that you both now share, and will grow deeper and even stronger throughout the years to come. Now it gives me great pleasure to declare you are lawfully joined together as husband and wife. And so, would you like to kiss your new wife, please?
They're getting yours, John.
And finally, I'm sure I speak on behalf of everyone here this morning. We wish you both lots of love and happiness for the coming future. Many, many congratulations. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have our very important part of our ceremony this morning, the signing of the register. Would you all please be seated? And Stewart and Kerry, if you'd like to join our